If you have been waiting to try Apple's latest features before the official release, the iOS 27 public beta is finally here. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install the iOS 27 public beta on your iPhone safely, what you need to do before updating, and how to avoid common problems during installation. By the end of this tutorial, you will be running iOS 27 public beta with all of its newest features. Let's get started. Before installing anything, make sure your iPhone supports iOS 27. iOS 27 is compatible with iPhone 11 all the way up to iPhone 17 series. If your device isn't on this list, you won't be able to install iOS 27. Next, backup your iPhone. This is the most important step. Even though the public beta is more stable than early developer betas, it can still contain bugs, app compatibility issues, or unexpected crashes. Before updating, backup your iPhone using iCloud, Finder on Mac, Apple devices, or iTunes on Windows. That way, you can restore your data if something goes wrong. If you haven't already, you will need to enroll your Apple account in Apple's beta software program. Visit Apple's beta software program website and sign in using the same Apple account that signed in with your iPhone. Enrollment is free. After signing up, open the Settings app, go to General. Here tap on Software Update. On the Software Update page, tap on Beta Updates. Here select iOS 27 Public Beta. If you don't immediately see the Public Beta option, try restarting your iPhone and checking again. Once the iOS 27 beta appears, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted. Accept Apple's terms and conditions. And now your iPhone will begin downloading the update. The download time depends on your internet speed. Once downloaded, tap Install Now. Your iPhone will restart several times before booting into iOS 27 public beta. If the beta isn't showing up, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple account you used to join the beta software program. Confirm your iPhone supports iOS 27. Check that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure you have enough free storage. Restart your iPhone and try checking software update again after a few minutes. Remember that this is beta software. You may experience reduced battery life, random app crashes, performance issues, features that don't work correctly, and compatibility problems with banking or work apps. If this is your primary iPhone and you rely on it every day, you may want to wait for the official release instead. If you later decide you no longer want beta updates, open the Settings app, tap on General. Here tap on Software Update and tap on Beta Updates. Then select Off. Your iPhone will stop receiving future beta updates and will return to the normal release channel after you install the next public version of iOS. And that's how you can install the iOS 27 public beta on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and latest iOS 27 coverage. Thanks for watching.